Hirap tayo sa mga agents natin eh. Parang kami lang pong dalawa ni Marge yung kumikilos.
Then you'll need all the help you can get.
What do you mean, Dad?
May naisip akong makakatulong sa'yo. Someone with fresh ideas, may alam sa digital platforms, marketing, and online reach.
And who exactly would that be?
Don't worry. This one I think you'll actually like, and your mom likes too.
May problema ba? Ano, pinirata ulit yung kliyente natin?
Wala naman. May tutulong lang sa atin para makuha ulit yung mga clients natin. Love, I want you to know that this was Dad's decision. And I didn't want you to hear it from someone else.
Ano bang dapat kong marinig? Sino ba tong reko ni Dad? Matutulungan ba tayo niya?
Hi, Paolo! Sorry, may meeting ka pala.
At anong ginagawa niya dito?
Oh! Perfect timing. Mas mabuti siguro na ako na ang mag-explain. Starting today, I'll be joining Torre Campo Realty. Tito Greg and Tita Reg thought I could help out with digital marketing and client retention. He said that the company could use some new ideas. Marge, magkakatrabaho ulit tayo. And I'll be working closely with you and... Ako naman, Marge. Don't worry. I'll make sure to keep things strictly professional.
Tito Greg offered it after you walked out sa lunch last time.
Ang bilis nga ng pangyayari.
Wala kang plano sabihin yun sa akin, since then.
Sinisigurado ko lang na matutuloy. Sasabihin ko naman talaga sa'yo eh.
Sana kinonsulta mo muna ako bago ka na, Jess. Bakit ka naglilihim sa akin?
Ano? Gaya ng paglilihi mo sa akin na ganun kababa ang tingin ng dad mo sa'yo? You made me believe na ikaw ang lumayo when in fact, you were kicked out by your dad.
I left the company for a reason. And since you are my girlfriend, hindi ka na dapat bumalik doon.
Edward, this is not about you or your dad. Gusto ko lang talaga mapalapit sa pamilya mo. Chance ko na rin to para matulungan kayo magkaayos. You've been avoiding them for too long.
Did Ma put you up to this? Huh?
Maybe. Pero, Edward, ginusto ko rin naman to eh. Saka ayaw mo ba nun? Ganun kalaki yung trust sa akin ng family mo. At ito pa, this is my chance to fix things with Marge. I know, she still hates me, pero I want to show her that I've changed. I'm sure yan din ang gusto mo, di ba? Magkasundo kami.
Alam mo, hindi ko alam if you're doing this for me or for yourself.
For us, Han, lahat to ginagawa ko para sa atin.